Today, Ollie and Kit set off down a forest path, and suddenly they found themselves in a magical forest. And where did they end up after that? Want to find out, friends? Let's take a look.
Kit, do you hear that? Someone's munching up there.
Yes, yes, and so loud and crunchy.
Look, something long and spotted is hiding behind the tree.
It's so tall, even taller than the tree.
Kids, have you guessed who it is yet?
Ta-da! It's a giraffe.
Wow, wow, wow! It's so tall! Taller than me! Taller than the tree!
Oh yes, giraffes are super tall. They eat leaves straight from the treetops.
Kit, wait! Do you hear that? There's something over there. Kit, do you hear that? Someone's trumpeting!
Yes, so loud.
Look! Something big with a long nose is coming our way! Kids, have you guessed who it is?
I know who it is. It's an elephant.
Whoa, whoa, whoa! It's so enormous!
Ha ha ha! Yes, and that long nose is called a trunk. It drinks water with it.
Wait, I hear something. Splash, splash. A lake? Where? This way or that way? Kid, do you hear that? Someone splashing in the water.
Yes, such a loud splash.
Look, something big and round in the river.
And it's so pink.
Kids, have you guessed who it is yet?
Ta-da! It's a hippo.
Wow, wow, wow! It's so chubby, round like a bull.
Ha ha ha! Hippos are so round, and they live in the water, hiding from the hot, hot sun.
Bye-bye, little hippo. We've got to hurry. Don't miss us too much. Giraffe. Elephant. Hippo.
What an adventure that was. Well done, friends. You recognized everyone. And next time, Ollie and Kit have an even more amazing encounter ahead of them. Don't miss it.